Kids learn it too.
3 ingredients make up a rainbow, you'll soon learn this. These ingredients are sunlight, water, and a bit of physics. When a raindrop is small, then from the sky it does fall. The surface tension distorts the raindrop shape into a spherical ball. Different wavelengths of light bend at different angles, so the light you see separates as this picture does show. One light enters the raindrop from the air, I do tell. It reflects off the back of it and then refracts again on the way out. One raindrop will send red into your eyes, I do tell, as a different angle of another drop sends violet light as it fell. All the colors in between come from their own raindrops, which make the different colors of the rainbow as they drop. It takes a lot of raindrops to make a full rainbow. Each color exists at a different angle as we have shown. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the most common colors you'll find in a rainbow, I admit. 3 ingredients make up a rainbow, you'll soon learn this. These ingredients are sunlight, water, and a bit of physics. Sleet versus snow versus hail. Let's look at what makes them different with this frozen tale. Sleet, snow, and hail are forms of frozen water precipitation, but each is distinct when it comes to its formation. Sleet consists of small ice pellets or frozen raindrops that fall from the sky to the ground, then it stops. Sleet occurs when raindrops freeze before reaching the ground due to a layer of cold air near their surface, that's where it's found. Sleet versus snow versus hail. Let's look at what makes them different with this frozen tale. Snow is a type of frozen water that forms when water vapor in the atmosphere condenses directly into ice crystals, I'm sure. These ice crystals then join together to form snowflakes. Each flake is a unique structure piling like icing on a cake. Hail are balls of ice that form within severe thunderstorms with strong updrafts, and this is how they are formed. These updrafts carry raindrops high into the cold upper regions of the storm, where they freeze into ice then drop in warmer seasons. Sleet versus snow versus hail. Let's look at what makes them different with this frozen tale. Get your favorite Kids Learning Tube t-shirt or song today at kidslearningtubeshop.com. And don't forget to subscribe.
Kids learn it too.
I am a volcano. I'd love it if you'd learn a bit more about me. I am a volcano. You can find me on land or in the sea. The volcano got its name from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire, who was said to live in a volcano. This legend did inspire. A volcano's a mountain or hill that has a crater or vent, it's a must, which lava, rock fragments, vapor, and gas erupt from Earth's crust. Let's take a look at the parts that make up a volcano. We will learn these parts in this awesome picture that I'll show. This here's the magma chamber. It's a large pool of liquid rock which lies beneath the surface of the earth, where pressure builds when it is blocked. The main vent is the main outlet for the magma to escape. Secondary vents are smaller outlets for the magma to release and change landscapes. The crater is a roughly circular depression in the ground caused by volcanic activity. It's where most of the lava's found. Layers of ash and lava make up this mountainous cone shape. I'll tell you how a volcano works. First, let's see where most take place. Most active volcanoes occur at boundaries between tectonic plates. Most are found in the ring of fire that encircles the Pacific Ocean today. The stratovolcanoes are the most destructive. They're common type of eruptions called Plinian, which is highly dangerous and explosive. Stratovolcanoes are most commonly found in subduction zones. I'll explain what this is in this animation that is shown. Subduction zones are boundaries between two tectonic plates, where the ocean plate is sinking into the mantle beneath another tectonic plate. I am a volcano. I'd lava if you learn a bit more about me. I am a volcano. You can find me on land or in the sea. At a subduction zone, a thick oceanic plate slides under a thicker continental plate. The oceanic plate is saturated with water, which it drags down into the earth. Around 16 miles deep, that water that is trapped inside is then released. This reduces the melting point of the surrounding rock, allowing it to melt. This melted rock cools as it rises up the main vent. It is felt that magma that reaches the surface is silica rich and thick. The gases released while melting get trapped in large bubbles like this. When one of these bubbles reaches the surface, it does burst, which causes an explosive volcanic eruption at its worst. The smoke's a mix of water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur gas, and ash. The lava flow runs down the volcano, destroying all in its path. I hope you enjoyed this lesson that was given to you. Please like this video and comment below after this song is through. I am a volcano. I'd love it if you'd learn a bit more about me. I am a volcano. You can find me on land or in the sea. These are 4 classic types of Earth volcanoes. Let this knowledge flow while your mind is blown. These 4 classic types of volcanoes are named by the USGS: cinder cones, composite and shield volcanoes, and lava domes. I do confess, the simplest type of volcano is the cinder cone. Let's see how they form and how they grow. The cinder cone summit has a bowl-shaped crater atop its ascent, built from particles and blobs of lava ejected from its single vent. Cinder cones rarely get taller than 600 to 900 feet, and they have rocky slopes that are pretty steep. There are numerous cinder cones in North America's west and throughout other parts of the world in volcanic terrains. I do attest. Composite volcanoes are usually thousands of feet tall and may rise to 8,000 feet above their bases as they sprawl. There's no covered peaks or symmetrical cones that are steep-sided, composed of lava flows, mud flow, and pyroclastic deposits. Mount St. Helens, Rainier, Mount Shasta, and Mount Hood are composites found on the west coast of the US for good. Shield volcanoes are built almost entirely of fluid lava flows, building gentle slopes. Now you see, lava pours in all directions from a central summit or group of vents, forming a domical shape that looks like a shield from these eruptive events. These shield volcanoes are much wider than they are tall. Mauna Loa of Hawaii is one of the most famous of them all. A lava dome is a circular mounded shaped protrusion with highly viscous lava that accumulates around the vent on its run. Lava domes are typically thick and they are steep-sided, you see. Their diameter can range from a few meters to many kilometers, you'll agree. Lassen Volcanic National Park contains multiple lava domes. Northern California is where these lava domes do call home. These are 4 classic types of Earth volcanoes. Let this knowledge flow while your mind is blown. What makes the earth shake? It's called an earthquake. Let's learn about the seismic waves that make the ground break. What makes the earth shake? It's called an earthquake. The violent shaking along faults and tectonic plates. Millions of earthquakes happen on Earth each year. That's what the NEIC reports, but have no fear. About 500,000 are detectable, but most are so small they can only be estimated because they can't be felt at all. Out of 500,000, only 100,000 are felt, it's true. And only 100 out of that can cause damage that we can view. What is an earthquake and where can they be found? Most are found between tectonic plates between the ground. 7 major tectonic plates cover our Earth, you see. These are the names of those plates and where they can be seen. This is the South American and Indo-Australian, the Antarctic plate, and the African is great. The Eurasian, Pacific plate, and North American. We'll talk about minor plates in another lesson plan. There are 3 types of plate boundaries running between these tectonic plates, you will see. Divergent, convergent, and transform. They all cause earthquakes. Let's see how they perform. Divergent boundaries move away from each other, producing rift valleys. Most active between oceanic plates, yes, plates out in the sea. Convergent boundaries move towards one another and collide. That's where you'll find most earthquakes and volcanoes do reside. Transform boundaries are 2 plates that slide past one another. The San Andreas fault line's the best example of this to discover. Between these plate boundaries, the Earth moves inches each year, but sometimes the plates get stuck. That's where an earthquake does appear. When pressure builds up from being stuck in this delay, the rock breaks, releasing energy, causing seismic waves. These seismic waves, they shake the ground. That is an earthquake. Let's see where massive quakes are found. The most violent quakes happen in subduction zones, no other. That's where one tectonic plate is shoved beneath another. One plate is forced down into the Earth's mantle, shown here. The other plate's forced upwards, that's where the violent quake appears. This is the same type of earthquake that rocked Nepal in 2015. The Gorka earthquake shook them all. When a quake in a subduction zone happens on the ocean floor, it can create a tsunami or tidal wave. Let's learn some more. A tsunami, also called a seismic sea wave, is a large volume of water displaced in an ocean or large lake. The largest tsunami that was ever recorded was 1,720 feet tall in Alaska. That's enormous. What makes the Earth shake? It's called an earthquake. Let's learn about the seismic waves that make the ground break. What makes the Earth shake? It's called an earthquake. The violent shaking along faults and tectonic plates. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. My atmosphere is 78% nitrogen. Another 21% of it is oxygen. Another small percentages of other elements. Without my atmosphere around, you would be frozen. I take 365 Earth days to orbit the sun. 24 hours makes one day, that's just one time that I'm spun. You won't fly off into space, gravity's pulling you down as fast as 9.8 meters a second towards the ground. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. There are 12 different types of climates that exist on me. Moderate, polar, dry, and tropical are 4 groups you see. Then there is continental, it is the 5th category. One climate in no group is highland, way above the sea. I'm the 3rd planet from the sun, no one is denser than me. My axis tilted 23.5, yeah, that's my degree. 4.5 billion years ago is when I was born, you see. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. Earth has four major geological subsystems. I will teach you in this song, I hope you learn and listen. Geosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere are four major systems on Earth that balance why we survive here. These systems are all separate but interact with one another in so many different ways. In each system you will discover. Let's start with geosphere, all Earth's materials and mass. It's comprised of all these parts that you'll be learning in my class. The solid iron inner core is a bit smaller than the moon. The nickel iron alloy outer core is liquid, it is true. The mantle is a layer between the crust and outer core, mostly made of minerals and silicate rock. Let's learn some more. Which brings us to the crust in which we all play and live on, made up of rock and lots of elements that keep it real strong. Earth has four major geological subsystems. I will teach you in this song, I hope you learn and listen. The atmosphere's the next sphere that we will look at. It contains Earth's air and protects all of us. Now how about that? The atmosphere's made up of 5 layers, now you know. One layer blocks radiation from the sun, it's called the ozone. Let's move on to the hydrosphere, it's a major one as well. It includes all forms of Earth's water, now isn't that swell? Oceans, lakes, and rivers, and our water vapor too are what make up the hydrosphere. You learn something new. The biosphere's the final of the four major groups, including anything that's living, that also includes you. Microbes, animals, plants, birds, and insects alike are all part of the biosphere. That's true and it is alright. Earth has four major geological subsystems. I will teach you in this song, I hope you learn and listen. Here's one of many examples of how these spheres interact. There are so many different ways they help us live, and that's a fact. When volcanoes erupt from the geosphere, it releases particles and ash into the atmosphere. These particles act as the nuclei to help form water drops. That's the hydrosphere at work, and it never stops. When the rain falls to the earth, this is the hydrosphere, which stimulates plants to grow, which is the biosphere. The plants create oxygen that's released to the atmosphere. Plants also feed animals and humans, and that's biosphere. There's so many more examples you can find on your own. You can research them on your computer while sitting at home. Earth has four major geological subsystems. I will teach you in this song, I hope you learn and listen. Earth has four major geological subsystems. I will teach you in this song, I hope you learn and listen. How is Earth habitable? Why can life thrive on it? While the sun's plasma blasts towards us, what's protecting it? We're protected by Earth's magnetosphere, also called Earth's magnetic field. Let's learn more right here. There's a region around the planet beyond the atmosphere, created by Earth's internal magnetism, called the magnetosphere. The reason life developed and continues to keep us alive is because of this magnetic environment. It's why we thrive. What's this magnetosphere and what does it protect us from? Let's take a closer look as we move towards the sun. When the sun blasts plasma from the solar storm, it emits huge bursts of energy and solar flares form. Solar flares are bursts from the sun during an eruption, pushed into space as solar and cosmic particle radiation. This electromagnetic radiation from the sun does reach the earth and could destroy the atmosphere while on its run. But the atmosphere's protected when these particles reach it by the magnetosphere, deflecting when these particles do hit. The magnetosphere changes shape when blasted with these particles, directing them away from the atmosphere so they aren't harmful. If our atmosphere were to deteriorate over time, life on Earth would perish. You've learned this in this rhyme. Some of the particles aren't deflected away but have no fear. When they get trapped in Earth's magnetosphere. The trapped particles get shot towards Earth's two poles in the field lines, also called the dipole, which means two poles. When these particles reach the atmosphere, they react with oxygen and nitrogen, causing the auroras that appear. Let's take a closer look at where this magnetosphere is formed. We'll slice the Earth in half so you're visually informed. The electrically charged molten iron churns for sure below the Earth's surface within the planet's outer core. This generates a magnetic field large enough to race far past our Earth's atmosphere out into space. I am the North Pole, and I'm the South Pole. We're at opposite ends of the Earth's axis, to teach you is our goal. I am the North Pole, and I'm the South Pole. Neither of us get direct sunlight, so we both remain cold. I am the North Pole, I'm in the Northern Hemisphere, where the Earth's axis of rotation is shown right here. This is considered the Arctic. It's a polar region consisting of the Arctic Ocean, which does stay cold in any season. The Arctic is ocean surrounded by land, touching parts of the following countries. Sing so you understand. I touch parts of Alaska, Canada, Finland, and Greenland, Russia, Norway, Sweden, and also Iceland. My temperature varies, as you will see. These temps are in Fahrenheit, now pay attention if you please. My average temperature in summer is 32 degrees, and in the winter I do drop to an average negative 40 degrees, you see. I'm home to the polar bear, the walrus, Arctic fox, caribou, the narwhal, beluga whale, and the muskox too. The North Pole is at 90 degrees north latitude. You can't get further north than me, this is so true. I'm the South Pole, I'm in the Southern Hemisphere, where the Earth's axis of rotation is shown right here. This place I'm located in is called Antarctica. It is real cold, even though it's extremely cold year round. It barely rains or snows. Though I'm made up of lots of ice called glaciers, I'm considered a desert. Of this I am very sure. The Arctic is land surrounded by the ocean. It's also the southernmost continent. I tell you this with devotion. I only have two seasons, they are summer and winter. I will tell you how I fluctuate in temperature. In the summer, my average temperature is negative 18 degrees. In the winter, that temperature drops to negative 76, you'd freeze. I'm home to many animals, no matter how cold I get. They live on the land and sea and survive even when they're wet. There's many kinds of penguins, seals, and whales, albatross, Antarctic krill, and invertebrates I do hail. The Earth rotates on its own axis once in 24 hours. Each axis is in the North and South poles, that's pole power. I am the North Pole, and I'm the South Pole. We're at opposite ends of the Earth's axis, to teach you is our goal. I am the North Pole, and I'm the South Pole. Neither of us get direct sunlight, so we both remain cold. Alaska's boroughs and census areas, a northwestern state in the U.S. Come sing along with us. We're Alaska's boroughs and census areas. Our state capital is named Juneau. We have lots to discuss. Aleutians East Borough splits the Bering Sea and Pacific Ocean. This is where Anchorage Borough, Alaska's largest city's been. Bristol Bay Borough touches the Bristol Bay. Denali is a landlocked borough, this is where it stays. Here in Fairbanks, North Star Borough, we never rest. Haynesboro has Tongass National Forest. Juneau City's Alaska's remote capital. This is the Kenai Peninsula, also a borough. Ketchikan Gateway is a borough in the southeast. Kodiak Island Borough touches the Gulf of Alaska Sea. Lake and Peninsula Borough is so beautiful. Matanuska Susitna is is a southern borough. The North Slope borough is in Alaska's north. Northwest Arctic touches the Kotzebue Sound's girth. Petersburg borough is a bunch of islands. The city and borough of Sitka in the southeast it spans. Skagway is a borough where cruise ships stop. Unorganized boroughs all over to visit, you'd have to hop. City and borough of Wrangell is a wonderful scene. City and borough of Yakutat touches Canada near me. We're Alaska's boroughs and census areas, a northwestern state in the U.S. Come sing along with us. We're Alaska's boroughs and census areas. Our state capital is named Juneau. We have lots to discuss. Aleutians West Census Area is a chain of Alaskan islands. Bethel Census Area, to our east we have Great Mountains. Dillingham Census Area is in the southwest. Puna and Goon Census Area is in the South Iatess. Kuselbeck Census Area touches the Bering Sea. I'm Nome Census Area, that's enough about me. Prince of Wales Hyder Census Area is what I am. Southeast Fairbanks Census Area, in the east I span. Valdez Cordova Census Area is in the south. Yukon Kaikuk Census Area, you heard this from my mouth. My name is Alaska, a U.S. state. Juneau is my capital, the wilderness here is so great. We're Alaska's boroughs and census areas, a northwestern state in the U.S. Come sing along with us. We're Alaska's boroughs and census areas. Our state capital is named Juneau. We have lots to discuss. We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals in all. We're here to teach you all and then some facts that go along with them. So sing along with me now, let's have a ball. I am Alberta, my capital is Edmonton. I am a province of Canada, my time zone is in mountain. My flowers a wild rose, my trees the lodgepole pine. My bird's a great horned owl and my scenery is fine. Hello, I'm Quebec in case you didn't notice me. My capital is also Quebec with an accent aigu-e. I'm a French-speaking province of this Canadian country, and I'm the largest province by area in Canada, you see. I am Saskatchewan, my capital is Regina. Royal Saskatchewan Museum is a great see for all of you. I became a province of Canada in 1905, and my provincial bird is a sharp-tailed grouse that can fly. I'm British Columbia, Victoria is my capital, Canada's westmost province touching the Pacific coast. I have lots of mountain ranges, Whistler Mountain is my most famous. If you're looking to ski or snowboard, I have lots of these places. Hey, I'm Manitoba, my capital's Winnipeg. I'm a province of Canada, I'm not pulling your leg. Has flowers, my provincial flower, great gray owl's my bird. I have Arctic tundra in the north and southern farmland to herd. Hey, I'm Ontario, my capital is Toronto. The Hudson Bay's to my north and the U.S. to the south, you know. Half of Lake Ontario sits in my province, you see. It's one of the 5 Great Lakes, 4 of them to border me. We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals in all. We're here to teach you all and then some facts that go along with them. So sing along with me now, let's have a ball. Hi, I'm New Brunswick, my capital is Fredericton. I border the U.S. state of Maine, my largest city is St. John. My Bay of Fundy is most famous for its extreme tides, and if you're into whale watching, that's where you'd want to reside. Hello, I'm Nova Scotia, my capital's Halifax. I'm one of Canada's maritime provinces, now how about that? I'm in the Atlantic Ocean, I also have long coastlines. I'm home to the puffin and seals, yeah, my scenery is fine. I'm Prince Edward Island, my capital is Charlottetown. I'm a Canadian province and where the province house is found. I am no known for my seafood, mostly lobsters and mussels. The Gulf of St. Lawrence is where you can view some sea vessels. Hey, I'm Newfoundland and Labrador. My capital, St. John's, on the most easterly province in which Canada's real fond. Bromore National Park is one of my attractions. Dramatic cliffs and waterfalls are some of my sights that are fun. I'm the Yukon Territory, my capital is Whitehorse. I'm located in the northwest of Canada for what it's worth. I'm home to Mount Logan, Canada's highest mountain. I'm also known for glaciers and also if you like to fish salmon. I'm the Northwest Territory, my capital's Yellowknife. One of the 3 territories in the Canadian Archive. One of my coolest attractions is my Virginia Falls Nahanni National Park Reserve is where it sits tall. I'm the Nunavut Territory, capital's Iqaluit. I am known for my indigenous people, the Inuit. I form most of the Canadian Arctic archipelago and the least populated Canadian territory, you know. My name's Canada in the northern part of North America. I do have a capital, its name is Ottawa. We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals and all. We're here to teach you all and then some facts that go along with them. So sing along with me now, let's have a ball. We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals and all. We're here to teach you all and then some facts that go along with them. So sing along with me now, let's have a ball. We are the country of Finland, made up of 19 regions. We're here to show you we are the country of Finland, located on the continent of Europe, it's true. My name is Lapland, a Finnish region, you know. I have a city named Rovaniemi, my capital. Notre Nostro Botonia, that's my name. My capital is Oulu, it's a city I claim. I am Kainuu, a Finnish region in the east. Kajaani is my capital, come here and feast. I'm North Karelia, southeast is where I stay. Joensuu's my capital, come here and play. We are the country of Finland, made up of 19 regions. We're here to show you we are the country of Finland, located on the continent of Europe, it's true. I'm Northern Savonia, a landlocked region. Visit Kuopio, my capital, for any reason. I'm Southern Savonia, a region in Finland. Mikkeli is my capital, yeah, that's where it stands. Southern Ostrobothnia, that is my name. St. Aoki is my capital, we have dance contest fame. Central Ostrobothnia is a region in Finland. My capital, Kokkola, it is really grand. We are the country of Finland, made up of 19 regions. We're here to show you we are the country of Finland, located on the continent of Europe, it's true. I'm Ostrobothnia, on Finland's western coast. My capital, Vaasa, I love the most. I'm Pirkanmaa, that is my name, you can plainly see. Tampere is my capital, this lesson was free. I'm Central Finland, that is my name in English. Visit Jyväskylä, it is quite a dish. Santa Kuta is my name, the southwest is where I am. Pori is my capital, this song has no exam. Southwest Finland, that's my name, you understand. My capital, Turku, it is my biggest fan. We are the country of Finland, made up of 19 regions. We're here to show you we are the country of Finland, located on the continent of Europe, it's true. I'm South Karelia, a southern region. Lappeenranta is my capital, it's lots of fun. Viikinetavastia is my really cool name. My capital's name is Lahti, can you say it the same. Tapastia proper, that is my name, now you know. Hamelina is my capital, now I should go. Ousama is my name, a region in the south. Helsinki is my capital, you heard this from my mouth. I'm Kymenlaakso, so a southern region, now you know. Tavalo is my capital, cause I told you so. I am the Åland Islands in the mouth of the Baltic Sea. Mariehamn is my capital, where you can be. My name is Finland, a northern European nation. My capital is Helsinki in this location. We are the country of Finland, made up of 19 regions. We're here to show you we are the country of Finland, located on the continent of Europe, it's true. My name is Greenland, I am the world's largest island, located between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. Some people think I'm a country or a sovereign state, but I belong to Denmark, an autonomous territory, it's so great. We are Greenland's 5 municipalities within Greenland, Denmark's autonomous territory. We have the largest national park located in northeast Greenland. Greenland has a capital, it's called Nuuk, you'll understand. I'm Avanada, a municipality located in the west, touching the Baffin Bay you see. My municipal seat is called Ilulissat in me. It's where the star is spinning at 360 degrees. Kujalek is the name I was given. A municipality of Greenland in the south is where I'm living. Talk is this municipality center, the most populous town in the south that you could enter. My name is Kakartalek, as shown here in the west. I was created in 2018, I am new at best. Asiat is the name, I'm Greenland's 5th largest town, and the municipal center of this municipality you found. Kekata is a municipality in the west, on the island of Greenland. We all think this place is the best. The town of Sisimiut is located right here. It's my municipal center and one that I hold so near. Sermersuk is a large municipality. I am diagonally shaped in the southeast you can see. Nuuk is my municipal center where the star is shown. It's also the capital of Greenland, you now know. I am Greenland, the largest island in the world. I am located between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. I'm an autonomous territory in the country of Denmark. I'm a stone's throw from Canada if you'd like to embark. I have the largest national park in the world, you should know. It's called the Northeast Greenland National Park, you know you could go. I do have a capital, its name is Nuuk. It's located in the southwest of my island, please don't rebuke. My name is Greenland, I am the world's largest island, located between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. Some people think I'm a country or a sovereign state, but I belong to Denmark, an autonomous territory, it's so great. We are Greenland's 5 municipalities within Greenland, Denmark's autonomous territory. We have the largest national park located in northeast Greenland. Greenland has a capital, it's called Nuuk, you'll understand. On the southernmost continent, Antarctica is my name. I'm an ice-covered landmass, the geographic South Pole I do claim. My name is Antarctica, the southern ocean surrounds me. I have emperor penguins and I'm uninhabited virtually. I am Antarctica, I'm classified as a desert because so little moisture falls from the sky, I assert. Typically I receive 2 inches of precipitation each year, primarily in the form of snow. Sahara Desert gets more than here. The Antarctic ice sheet covers more than 98% of me. Over 70% of Earth's fresh water is frozen in this ice sheet. Antarctica is the highest continent on our Earth. The average elevation is 8,200 feet for what it's worth. The lowest temperature on Earth was recorded on me, -128.6 Fahrenheit in 1983. geographic South Pole is one of the 2 points where the Earth's axis of rotation intersects its surface. Around 30 countries maintain about 70 research stations. About 4,000 people live on me in population. I'm the southernmost continent, Antarctica is my name. I'm an ice-covered landmass, the geographic South Pole I do claim. My name is Antarctica, the southern ocean surrounds me. I have emperor penguins and I'm uninhabited virtually. There are certain animals that can survive my cold. They've adapted over time to exist on me, isn't that bold? There are 6 different species of penguins found on me. The emperors, Adelie, chinstrap, king gentoo, and macaroni. Only 6 of the 35 species of seals are found here. Ross, waddell, crab eater, leopard, fur, and southern elephant appear. I also have an abundance of whales that visit me. Here's a list of the names of whales that I most commonly see. There's the right whale, the blue whale, sei whale, and the humpback whale. The minke whale, the fin whale, the sperm whale, and killer whale do hail. I provide a lot of marine food to fill a whale's belly. Most whales visit to eat the krill that's in abundance around me. I'm the only continent in the entire world that isn't owned by any country officially. I'm a scientific preserve though. The world's largest recorded iceberg broke off my Ross Ice Shelf. The iceberg B-15 broke off in 2000, it wasn't stealth. I'm the southernmost continent, Antarctica is my name. I'm an ice-covered landmass, the geographic South Pole I do claim. My name is Antarctica, the southern ocean surrounds me. I have emperor penguins and I'm uninhabited virtually. We are the 5 Norwegian regions, with the capital name Oslo. Visit any season. We're the 5 Norwegian regions. We're in Northern Europe, so let the learning begin. I'm Nord-Norge, or Northern Norway. The Barents and Norwegian seas spray my coast all day. I'm about 35% of the Norwegian mainland, and I'm located in the north of Norway, so you understand. I'm Norge, also called Trøndelag. I'm in the middle of Norway, put that in your geography log. The Trondheim Fjord is an inlet of the Norwegian Sea. People have lived here for thousands of years in my history. We are the 5 Norwegian regions, with the capital name Oslo. Visit any season. We're the 5 Norwegian regions. We're in Northern Europe, so let the learning begin. My name is Vestlandet, or Western Norway, located on the west coast of Norway, yeah, that's where I stay. My coastline touches the Norwegian and the North Sea. Now on to the next region, that's enough about me. I am Sørlandet, or Southern Norway. I'm the most southern part of the Norwegian coastline, I'd say. My coastline touches the North Sea and the Skagerrak Strait. My region's beautiful, come see it, don't you wait. We are the 5 Norwegian regions, with the capital name Oslo. Visit any season. We're the 5 Norwegian regions. We're in Northern Europe, so let the learning begin. I'm Oslana, or Eastern Norway, you see. On the east side of Norway, touching Sweden, the country. I am home to the capital of the country of Norway. Its name is Oslo, and the star is where it lays. My name is Norway, a northern European country. I am Scandinavia's western part in Europe, you see. I have a capital name, Oslo, as the star will show you. Please join me to sing the chorus before this song is through. We are the 5 Norwegian regions, with the capital name Oslo. Visit any season. We're the 5 Norwegian regions. We're in Northern Europe, so let the learning begin. We are the 5 Norwegian regions, with the capital name Oslo. Visit any season. We're the 5 Norwegian regions. We're in Northern Europe, so let the learning begin. federal subjects of the Russian Federation, broken up into 5 types you'll learn in our explanation. We're the first 46 subjects and we're called Oblasts. We're provinces of Russia, so let's learn our names at last. I am Amor, Arhangelsk is my name. I am Astrakhan, I'm Belgorod, glad you came. I am Bryansk, Chelyabinsk is my name. I'm Irkutsk, Ivanova is in the frame. I'm Kaliningrad, and I am Kaluga. Kemarivos who I am, I'm Kiriv, nice to see ya. Kostroma's my name, Kurgan is who I am. My name is Kursk, I'm Leningrad, where have you been? Lipetsk is my name, and I am Magadan. Moscow is here now, I'm Murmansk in the song. Nizhny Novgorod, it's my name. Novgorod, nice to meet you. I am Novosibirsk, my name's Omsk, I'm here too. Orenburg is my name, I'm Ariel on the scene. Hello, I am Vienza, name's Peskov on the screen. Rostov's what I am named, and I am Ryazan. I am Sakhalin, Samaras is my name in this song. I am Saratov, Smolensk is what I'm named. I am Sverdlovsk, I am Tambov in my fame. Hello, I'm Tomsk, and I am Tver. My name is Tula, Tumen's my name and that's clear. Ulyanov's my name, and I am Vladimir. Hello, I'm Volgograd, Vologda is right here. I am Voronezh, Yaroslavl has appeared. We are the 85 federal subjects of the Russian Federation, broken up into 5 types you'll learn in our explanation. We're the 22 republics that have the rights to form our own language and the right of our own constitution within the Russian Federation. My name is Adigea, and I'm of the Republic. Bashkortostan's my name, name's Buryatia, I hope it sticks. Hello, I'm Chechen, and my name is Chuvash. I am Crimea, Dagestan is really posh. Ingushetia's my name, I'm Kabardino-Balkar. Name's Kalmykia, I'm cool. I'm Cherokee, Czechist by far. I am Karelia, and I am Carcassia. Komia is my name, I'm Meriel, nice to meet ya. Mordovia is here, I'm North Ossetia, Elenia. Hello, my name's Saka, Tatarstan's what you saw. My name is Tuva, my name is Udmurtia. We are the 85 federal subjects of the Russian Federation, broken up into 5 types you'll learn in our explanation. We're the 9 Krays, which are the territories of Russia. Join us to learn our names, we promise that we won't rush ya. My name is Alki Krai, Kamchatka's my name. Khabarovsk is I'm Krasnodar, I do claim. I'm Krasnoyarsk, and I am Biram, I am Primorsky. Stavropol is my name, I'm Zabaikalsky. We are the 85 federal subjects of the Russian Federation, broken up into 5 types you'll learn in our explanation. There are 4 autonomous crooks in the Russian Federation, and 3 federal cities that we will name in our locations. I am Chukotka, I'm Kontimansi. Ninets is my name, Yamalo Ninets you see. I am Moscow, a federal city, and I'm St. Petersburg. I'm Sevastopol, a federal city you've heard. I am the only Jewish autonomous oblast. Peace to all of you on earth, let's sing the chorus at last. We are the 85 federal subjects of the Russian Federation, broken up into 5 types you'll learn in our explanation. This is the Kingdom of Sweden. We're the 21 counties in our geographical Eden. We're the Kingdom of Sweden. Stockholm is the capital in this country of freedom. I'm Stockholm County on the Baltic Sea coast. Stockholm is my capital and the capital shy. Jönköping is my county, I'm landlocked in the south. Jönköping is my capital's name straight out of my mouth.
This is the kingdom of Sweden. We're the 21 counties in our geographical Eden. We're the kingdom of Sweden. Stockholm is the capital in this country of freedom.
Krona Bay is the county name that I go by. Växjö is my capital, now go give it a try. Kalmar's my county, the southeast coast I do kiss. Kalmar is my capital, on the Kalmar Strait like this. Gotland is my name, I'm a county you see. My capital's name is Visby, and this is where it'll be. Blekinge is my county name, and I'm hanging in South Sweden. Karlskrona is my capital, and it's where my part ends. Skåne is my county's name in Sweden's southernmost point. My capital, Malmö, touches the Öresund Strait where Denmark joins. Halland County here in the southwest at best. Halmstad is my capital, it's a port I attest. Västergötland is the county name that I'm known by. Göteborg is my capital, you can visit if you try.
This is the kingdom of Sweden. We're the 21 counties in our geographical Eden. We're the kingdom of Sweden. Stockholm is the capital in this country of freedom.
Finland is my name of this county you see. Karlstad is my capital, the star is where it will be. Örebro is my county in central Sweden, you know. Örebro is also the name given to my capital. Västmanland is my county's name, also in the center. Västerås is my capital, but I could be your mentor. Dalarna is the county that you are learning about now. My capital, Falun, is where the star is shown, I am proud. Gävleborg is the county, and I'm touching Sweden's east coast. Gävle is the capital, the star shows you its post. Västernorrland county, touching the Gulf of Bothnia. My capital's Härnösand, it's nice to meet ya. Jämtlands County, I am big in the Midwest. Östersund is my capital, it's really the best. I'm the country of Sweden, a northern European country. My capital is Stockholm, peace is what we like to see.
This is the kingdom of Sweden. We're the 21 counties in our geographical Eden. We're the kingdom of Sweden. Stockholm is the capital in this country of freedom.
If you wanna know where to go, a compass will guide you. Let's see how it works before this song is through. A compass has a magnet, it's the arrow that you see. It points north and south, but how can this be? The Earth's poles are magnetically charged due to the iron core. It's a magnet that is large. The North Pole's charge is positive, while the South Pole's charge is negative. They're equal and balanced just like every other magnet. Two magnets will try to attach to each other. The positive and negative sides will go together. Just like jelly and peanut butter or puzzle pieces do. They naturally go together, connecting the two. That's why the head of the compass arrow has a negative charge. I say always pulling towards the North Pole, the biggest positive charge at play. Because a compass arrow is a needle standing free, it can move in any direction as you can plainly see. So no matter where you are, you can always find north, even when there's no stars, so your adventures can move forth. If you wanna know where to go, a compass will guide you. Let's see how it works before this song is through. Thanks for watching KLT. Please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and check out the KLT merch store.